What's up guys, for today's video I found another very unique knife. Let's see what this one is all about. Made by Fox Knives. Let's open it up real quick. Okay. Quick instructions. Looks like there's a belt clip right here. Pretty awesome. And then it locks in. Wow. How cool is this? And how does this unlatches? You press it right here and spin it around this way, and it looks like a pizza cutter in a way. That's so funny. So one more time. If you let it spin all the way and have a blade all the way around, would have been like a pizza cutter. So on this side you have a rope cutter and a little saw. It's such a small wood saw. I don't even know what would you be using it for. Cutting maybe a really small twigs or something. Might as well break them. But I do like little rope cutter right here. Anyway, sits in there really comfortably. Not gonna come out. Press it right here. Be careful. Flip it all the way around. And for some reason you're going to have this big knife that is quite uncomfortable. Doesn't even fit between your hands. I guess you can use it to cut something. So this is why it's just very unique knife right here. So you lock it in, now it's safe. You can put it on the belt buckle over here, backpack, whatever. Pull it out. How do we pull this out? Oh, it's tight in there. Whenever we're pulling it out, be careful, don't cut yourself. You see the blade is wiggling out there. Oh, okay, I see. All you have to do is just grab it and pull it out. So that way it does not get stuck. Whoops. So let's say it's on your belt right here and you just pull it up and pull it out all the way. And again, if you want the tool on the other side, flip it over. You get a saw and a rope cutter. Let me know in comments below, what do you think? I think I'm going to keep this end in there so that way it's not so dangerous. The blade doesn't come out and cut myself, because it's kind of wiggly inside of this tool. Doesn't sit super well in here. Anyways, let me know in comments below, what do you think about this thing? Super unique.